Hey everyone, Cynthia here. So again, I'm doing another pregnancy update for you. I am just wrapping up the 36th week, so I'll be 37 weeks in like 2 days or something like that. I've been feeling like I've been getting a little bit more energy than I have had lately. These past few weeks I want to try and get as many walks in as I can, hoping that it'll help with the delivery process. But I think any exercise is definitely good. But I've also noticed that probably mid-afternoon or something like that, I'll get really tired all of a sudden. But then I'm usually fine after that. There's definitely a tired spell that kind of happens in the middle of the afternoon. Other than that, like I said, I have more energy than I did. I've definitely been more thirsty. That's one of the symptoms that I've been having, as well as I've been getting Braxton Hicks a lot more. I didn't really notice them too much through the beginning part of my pregnancy or the middle. I know some people could start feeling them anytime around the 20-week mark, but that wasn't really me. I've never really felt them before, but now I'm starting to feel them more often, and they're definitely getting more and more uncomfortable. When I get them, sometimes it comes along with cramps too. I feel them a little lower, and my stomach will go like rock hard, and I'll feel really uncomfortable for a few seconds, and like kind of lower. I get a bit of cramps. Sometimes there's like a few seconds where I get cramps really, really bad, really low. I think I mentioned it in my last video. So I'm not really sure what's up with that. I definitely think my body is getting prepared for the big event though. So I think at this time, any weird, uncomfortable thing is probably normal, I'm guessing. Baby is moving so much. It's pretty awesome in my opinion. Like, I can feel it throughout my pregnancy since like the 16th week, somewhere close to there. It was like hardly any little movements here and there. Like, I could hardly feel them, kind of thing. But now I would say like it probably happens, I would say every hour. Baby moves quite a bit for a few minutes every hour, which is good because I think you're supposed to feel more movement towards the last few weeks anyways. But it definitely does move a lot. It's always like stretching too, and the baby's feet are always, I think it lays the same, and it has for several weeks now. So the feet are always on my right side of the stomach. I'm always feeling stretching on my right side. It's pretty cute. I definitely love it. It's something that I'll probably miss a lot when I'm not pregnant anymore. I love the movements. It's just amazing. It's definitely something that makes you feel so connected to your baby, and it's just awesome. I love it. The baby gets the hiccups, I would say like 4 times a day, somewhere in there. The hiccups are so strong now, it's at the point where when it does get the hiccups, my whole belly like shakes. I think Jaden's really enjoying that too, because he could feel it finally. So far, it's been totally amazing. I don't feel like super uncomfortable all the time. It's just been super easy for me through this whole thing, and I'm so thankful, and I'm really happy, and I feel definitely really lucky to have experienced pregnancy this way. It's just been totally amazing. We are starting to get nursery music ready. The baby will be sleeping in our bedroom. This is our bedroom behind me. And it has a little bassinet right here, so my side of the bed is just on this side. So the baby will be in here for the first like 2 months or something like that. And then we'll move it into its own room, which is right next door. But I'm still gonna nurse in the baby's nursery. Jaden teaches, so he definitely needs to sleep at night, and it's like if I do nurse, if I'm able to breastfeed, I think I'm just gonna grab the baby from the bassinet and go into the nursery, and we have like a nice rocking chair in there and stuff. We started packing the hospital bags. We're not gonna pack like a whole bunch of stuff. I think we're gonna pack the diaper bag with the coming home clothes and like the baby's first cloth diapers and stuff like that. And then we're also going to pack a separate bag with our overnight clothes and my coming home outfit and stuff, and probably games and things to play and just things to keep me entertained while I'm going through labor. It's just at the point where we're definitely getting more prepared for the baby and starting to think about what we actually want in the sense of like labor and delivery, birth plans, all of that kind of stuff, and think about bringing a baby home. But yeah, I guess I will show you a belly shot and we'll be good to go. Alright, bye. 36 weeks and 5 days. On the back. So I've got a pretty big stretch mark right there. I don't know if you could see it. And I've got some more down here. And the line. Alright, thank you for watching. See you next week.